was calling trying to see how can I get an unconcealed or concealed divorce with my husband. I'm a parent of one.
Okay, I think you're saying you were trying to get an uncontested divorce with your husband. Is that correct?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay. The process for getting an uncontested divorce it falls right in line with a lot of what I do. If you and your husband have agreed on the terms that you want to settle on, you would go to a lawyer and let them know, here's what we want to do as far as our children. Here's what we want to do as far as dividing up our assets, who's going to pay which credit card debt, things of that nature. A lawyer will prepare the paperwork necessary for the court to finalize the divorce. You would sign the agreement along with several other documents that are necessary. It would be filed with the court, and a judge would review that, make sure that all the legal necessities are in place, and then they will grant the divorce.
Okay. And Brian, that's the uncontested
That's
part.
an uncontested
Now,
divorce.
do people have to go to a lawyer first, or can they come to a mediator?
Oh, they can certainly come to a mediator. Very often, parties may agree on some parts of what they want to do. And there may be other areas where they're still stuck, and at which point then a mediator can help them find common ground. A mediator can't necessarily give them legal advice. For that, they would need to go to a lawyer. But the mediator can help them figure out, okay, where is it that we're apart, and what is it that we can do to make sure we can reach an agreement so that we don't have to go to court.
Great information.
Well, how do you find a mediator? How do you go about finding a mediator?
There's a number of different ways. The Alabama State Bar has a register of all the mediators in the state. It's the Alabama Civil Court Mediator roster. Mediators who specialize in family law are listed in there, and it will say that they've received domestic relations training. That's a good starting point. You can find their website through the Alabama State Bar Association. And you can call lawyers. Lawyers will tell you who good mediators are locally in your community, and that's always an excellent place to start.
Okay, good to know.